Hi you guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm making a fajita. I'm making a chicken fajita with lots of vegetables. Of course we need a lot of vegetables. And I'm not gonna grill today the fajita, so I'm gonna show it to you a very easy way you can make it in your stove, not grilling fajita, and it's so delicious, super easy, and it's delicious, I promise ya. So let's get started. So here I have 2 pieces of chicken breast, and I'm gonna slice it pretty well for my fajita. And this is organic chicken. There, just like that. Now I'm gonna slice a red bell pepper, 1 jalapeno, and onion. Put easy on. Then we're gonna add vegetables: red onion, 1 jalapeno, and 1 red bell pepper. So we're gonna saute the vegetables. So I'm gonna saute vegetables like for a minute or so until they soften. And then we're gonna add a chicken. So I'm gonna season a little bit with salt, like that. Now, time to add the chicken piece as well. Here I have a fajita sauce. That's what I'm gonna use for this fajita. So just add it here. We're gonna mix this well, and we're gonna cook this until the chicken is all tender and cooked, just like that. Add a couple cloves of garlic, just like that. Good. And I'm gonna cook it on a low heat, and I'm gonna add a couple spoons of sour cream and let it simmer about for another 5 minutes or so. I have the best fajita in the world. And I'm gonna warm up the tortilla. So now we just put everything in the tortilla. Put up with sour cream and cilantro. Also, I'm gonna add avocado to this dish and fresh jalapeno. Sprinkle with fresh jalapeno, avocado, and we have a perfect fajita, chicken fajita. Also, you can make steak fajita the same way as I make a chicken fajita. Leave me a comment below what kind of fajita you like better, chicken or steak fajita. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share with your friends, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.